Hey guys, it's Susan. How's everybody doing today? I hope everybody's having a really great day. So far, so good over this way. Today I want to show you how to make some gemstone chip earrings that are caged and that have little cowrie shell dangles. I'm using 22 gauge copper wire. I've got 2 lever backs. I'm using some orange coral. I've got 2 cowrie shells, and for tools you'll need your nylon jaw pliers, you'll need some flush cutters, round nose pliers, and chain nose pliers. So let's get started. These earrings are super sweet and they're so easy to make, and they look fabulous on. I'm going to start with my piece of wire that I cut 5 inches. I'm going to put it through my cowrie shell. And then I'm going to take the wire and put it up in the back, bring it down to the middle, bring it up in the back, bring it up in the front, like that. And I'm going to do the same for this side. Bring both wires straight up. And then I'm going to cross them at the top, like that. Do the same on this side. Now I'm going to go take the wires and hanging onto my shell, I'm going to turn them like that. Do the same on this side. Now I've got a wire that's straight up and one off to the side. I'm going to go ahead and stack on my coral on one side. Do the same for the other side. Like that. Using the piece that's off to the side, I'm going to bring it up along the side of the coral, hanging onto it and coming around the top. Do the same on this side. Bring it around the side of the coral and coming around the top. Then using my chain nose pliers, I'm going to go ahead and wrap it around a couple of times, like that. Do the same on this side. Then I'm going to move this one aside, and starting with the top one, I'm going to bring it down the left side. Bring it around to the base using my chain nose pliers and wrap around. And I can pinch it down in the back. I'm going to do the same on this one. Take the top wire, bring it down the side, and wrap it around the base. and then pinch it down in the back. I'm going to come in with my nylon jaw pliers and straighten out this piece of wire. Taking the wire on the top, I'm going to bend it to the side. Like that. Then using my flush cutters, I'm going to cut off until I have 1 centimeter of wire showing. Do the same for the other side, bend and cut. Using my round nose pliers, I'm going to go ahead and form my loop. Like that. And do the same for this side. Open up my lever back by twisting it, slipping on my earring, and closing it back. Do the same for the other one. Twist it open, hang on my earring, and twist it back to close it. And there you have it. So pretty, so beachy. I hope you will give these earrings a try. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks for joining me. See you again next time.